What are the given? Before, what are various types of the current assets, current liabilities given? On the basis of that, we calculated current ratio, liquid ratio, and absolute liquid ratio, etc. So, what are the current ratio? What is the formula current ratio? What is the formula current ratio?
So
Yes.
current assets divided by current liabilities.
Current liabilities, current assets divided by current liabilities. So before it is given that is a current as ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities, that is the sum of the value. But here directly the ratio value is given 2.6 and liquid ratio 1.4. One more important, working capital is given 1 lakh 10,000. Working capital is equal to, what is the formula? Working capital is equal to, we did statement of the changes in the working capital. Working capital is equal to, what is the formula? Is it correct or wrong? Working capital is equal to, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
formula?
This is correct, sir. This is correct, sir. Current assets minus current
Working
liabilities.
capital is equal to, before statement of the changes in the working capital, already I told you, gross working capital and net working capital, or simple working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. If it is gross working capital, it means only combination of the total current assets is called gross working capital. Generally, working capital is equal, remember, current assets minus current liabilities. In funds flow statement, we did it. So that is the value is given. Working capital. Careful, this is a very, very important. Working capital is equal to, it is given 1,10,000. Current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. It is equal to 2.6. It means 2.1. Is it correct or wrong? If I write like this, 2.61. Yes? Tell me.
Sir, I did not understand this.
Okay. This is the limit. Up to here it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please listen carefully. This is very, very important. Can I teach both? Is it okay here? Which one is the convert for you? Very, very important. Next chapter also this one. Is it clear?
So this is better, sir.
Use blackboard.
Sir, make it here, sir. We can use it for reference, sir, if we have any other problems like this.
No. Let me first. Are you understand? If it is okay, this one please screen, or can
Yes,
I use
sir. This is
whiteboard?
okay.
Yes, sir, it is perfect, sir.
It is okay. This is the working capital. See here. First, I will read this formula. Please listen. Given information. What are the current ratio? 2.6. Liquid ratio 1.4. Working capital 1,10,000. So on these three information, you are required to calculate current assets and current liabilities, liquid assets and stock. No problem. Very easy. Here, working capital is equal to, what is the formula? First remember, what is the formula? Current assets minus current liabilities, correct? Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Correct, sir.
Next, current ratio is given. Listen carefully. Current ratio is equal to 2.6, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I put like this, 2.6 by 1, is there any wrong?
No, sir.
First understand this one. If I put like this, 2.6 divided by 1, is it wrong or correct?
Sir, we can write it like that, sir.
We can write because it is a 2.6 times of the current assets against one current liability. Beginning itself only I told previous class. 2.6 is to 1. It means current assets always taken as a times against current liabilities. Here this problem 2.6 divided by 1. Otherwise, if it is given, it means don't confuse. If it is given like this, also no problem. 2.6 is to 1. This is the problem. Right like this. Question may become. This is also no problem. Is it wrong?
No, sir.
First remember, what is the current assets? Current ratio is equal to what is the formula?
Current assets divided by current liabilities.
Ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Correct? Is it correct? Current ratio formula. I think you didn't write formulas before. First problem,
Correct,
second
sir.
problem, third
So
problem.
it's right, so
Okay. So it means two 6 by 1. Correct or wrong? First,
Yes, sir. This is correct.
leave it about this one. Now current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liabilities. The current ratio it is given 2.6 divided by 1. Now this is the correct or wrong?
sir, it's correct.
Correct. Because always current liability you assume that is a one time against of the current asset it will be measured. So therefore whatever the information is given, that is you assume these are the current assets divided by 1. So 2.6 are the current assets against one current liability. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now because I don't know how much current assets, how much current liabilities, but I know only times 2.6 times of the current assets against one current liability. So therefore I put like this: current assets is equal to 2.6x divided by, that is the current liabilities is equal to 1x. Because I don't know what are the current assets, I don't know what are the current liabilities, but I know the times 2.6 of the current assets against current liabilities. Therefore, current assets is equal to 2.6x, current liability is equal to 1x. If I put this one, it is wrong or right? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir. We can
Yes, sir, we
assume
can
it as
assume
a
that.
variable.
Yes, sir.
We can write working capital is equal to current, I will repeat again, don't confuse, minus, so 1,10,000 is equal to 2.6x minus 1x. Current assets, how much I told you here? 2.6. Current liability, 1x. So 1,10,000 is equal to 2.6x minus 1x. 1.6x. X is equal to 1,10,000 divided by 1.6. So therefore, x is equal to
68,750.
1,10,000 divided by 1.6 is equal to 68,750. Repeat again. Current assets is equal to 2.6 into what is the x value?
68,750.
750.
So the answer is 1,78,750.
2.6. So 1,78,750. What are those? This one?
Current assets, sir.
Very good. These are the current assets. Now,
Current liabilities is 68,750.
into 68,750 is equal to 68,750. Okay. So there is a small logic, that's all. Getting up the current assets or current liabilities. Here the working capital is given. You remember working capital is equal to
Camera in your hand. You're not even looking. You're not clicking.
No got. Okay, sorry for disturbance. There is some network issues.
No problem.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this is unable to be. Using this right hotspot. Now it is okay. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for disturbance. There is some network issues. Now up to here. Again, I will repeat. Please go through this problem. What are the given information? Current ratio, liquid ratio, working capital. Only 3 items as given. On the basis of this one, you are required to calculate current assets, current liabilities, liquid assets, and stock. Okay. So remember, always this type of the problem, always some value is given. Here working capital is given, that is a 1,10,000. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Here current ratio is also given, that is a 2.6. Remember, always current ratio means that is a some value is to 1 always. It may be 0.5, even is to 1. Always it is a current liabilities 1 times against what are the current assets. So sometimes current assets may be more than 1 or maybe less than 1. Whatever may be. Remember, current liabilities always remember 1 time. That will be measured. Here 2.6. It means 2.6 is to 1. So you know current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Current ratio is equal to, therefore, 2.6 is to 1. It means divided by 1. It means there are 2 current assets is equal to 2.6x, because I don't know exactly what is the amount of the current assets, but I know 2.6 times of the current assets against 1 current liabilities. Therefore, current assets is equal to 2.6x. Then current liabilities always 1x. So working capital is equal to, current assets minus current liabilities. Here working capital is given 1,10,000. Now current assets, that is a 2.6x minus 1x, that is a current liabilities. 1,10,000 is equal to 2.6x minus 1. So x is 1,10,000 is equal to 1.6x. Therefore, x is equal to 1,10,000 divided by 1.6. So x is equal to 68,750. Current assets is equal to 2.6x. We know the x value. So therefore, current assets is equal to 2.6x, 2.6 into 68,750. This is the 1,78,750. Current liabilities 1 into 68,750. So if you want, you can do clarify. Current ratio is equal to CA, current assets divided by CL, short form. So is equal to 1,78,750 divided by 68,750. So your answer must be 2.6. If you want, you can check. You check it. It is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
You check it. If you want, you to calculate like this, sir. 2.6x is your current, that is ratio. So current ratio, you know, current assets divided by current liabilities. This is the one. What is the second information? Liquid.
Good assets.
Liquid is equal to what I told you, liquid assets or current assets minus stock divided by current liabilities. This is the formula, correct? Yeah, if you want, please you note down better your formula. This is the liquid ratio. If you want, you can write. Please.
Sir,
Liquid-
can you upload this?
Yes,
Can you upload these formulas?
I will upload after this problem. Not only, some more theory I will add.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I know that you didn't write your formulas.
So we wrote it. So
Now, why you are not telling? Okay. No problem. No problem. So, what is the value here?
0.4.
Liquid ratio is given 1.4. .4 is equal. What are the current assets?
1,78,750.
1,78,750
750.
minus no problem, prepaid expense is not asked, divided by 68,750. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here 1.4, it means, remember, it means 1 divided by 1. Correct or wrong? If I write like this,
Yes, sir.
no problem. Okay. Now, non-commerce, remember, it is a cross multiplication. 1.4 divided by 1 is equal to 1,78,750 minus stock divided by 68,750. It is a cross multiplication. If you want, I will show you in board. Can I show board? Just. Okay, is it visible, this board?
Yes, sir.
No, because this non-mathematics students. Here, that is a liquid ratio. Ratio is equal to, that is a current assets minus stock divided by current liabilities. You know current assets, that is the 1,78,750. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Current liabilities is equal to 68,750. Here liquid ratio is given. What is the liquid ratio? 1.4. Liquid ratio 1.4:1. Remember, 1.4:1. Always 1. The before it is given as a numerator and 1 is the always denominator. If you remember, that is a very easy. So therefore 1.4 is equal to current assets 1,78,750 minus stock divided by 68,750. These are the current liabilities. So 1.4 divided by 1 also we can put. Okay. So 1.4 divided by 1 is equal to 1,78,750 minus stock divided by 68,750. So now cross multiplication. So 1 into 1,78,750 minus 1 stock is equal to 1.4 into 68,750. So 1,78,750 minus stock is equal to 1.4 into 68,750. What is the value? 68,750 into 1.4. So 96,250. 1,78,750 is equal, it will come here, it is a minus 96,250 minus stock. If it is going like this, after is equal to, it is a plus stock. Did you write this one? Whereas?
Yes, sir.
Whereas, is it visible first of all?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Whereas, this one.
Yes, sir.
Sai Kaushik. Sai Kaushik. Are you there? Kaushik. No response. Bhavita? Bhavita? Yes. Whereas this
Sir.
one. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Now 1,78,750 minus 96,250. What is the value?
The stock is 96,250.
So 82,500 is equal to stock. Okay? I will give one more problem. I will give my own problem. Whereas,
So,
okay, I will give one more problem. Okay, find CA means current assets, current liabilities, and stock. Find
sir, can you repeat, sir?
find current assets. Wait. Current ratio 5. Liquid ratio 3. Working capital 3 lakhs. Point number 1, current assets. Number 2, current liabilities. Number 3, stock. Please note down this problem. So you can expect 100% one problem, either maybe 2 marks, either maybe 10 marks. Okay? So first you write this problem. If you completed, please tell me. Current ratio is given 5. Liquid ratio is given 3. Working capital is 3 lakhs. Find current assets, current liabilities, and stock. Okay?
Can you type the question, sir?
Sorry, what is it?
Can you type it?
Because you can't see here.
Not clear because you are sharing the screen.
This typing is not working. Now, what's about others?
So
Janavi?
it's not so clear, sir.
Not clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I type?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Which one is convenient for you? I can follow, no problem. Okay. Following information. The following information. Assets number 2. Liabilities number 3. Stock. Ratio is 5. Big ratio. Working capital relax. Up to here. What is that? Find number 1. That is the current assets. Number 2, current liabilities, and 3, stock. Current ratio is given 5. Liquid ratio is given 3. Working capital is given 3 lakhs. So always remember working capital. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So WC working capital is equal to, here current assets ratio is given. Current ratio is, that is a 5, which means current assets equal to 5x and current liabilities equal to 1x. Is it correct or wrong if I write like this?
Sir, it's
Correct, sir.
correct.
It is correct. Up to it is clear.
Yes, sir.
This is the very, very important. Always remember, when the current ratio is given, what are the value, that is you assume as a, it is a current assets. Current liabilities in current ratio always 1. Okay. So therefore current assets is equal to 5x. Current liabilities is equal to 1x. It means what are the working capital we have? 3 lakhs. 5x minus 1x. Correct? Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
So therefore 3 lakhs is equal to 4x. So x is equal to 3 lakhs divided by
X is 75,000.
no.
3 lakhs divided by 4.
4.
X is equals to 75,000.
75,000.
Yes, sir.
3 lakhs divided by 4. So therefore current assets equal to 75,000 into
5.
very good 5 is equal to
3,75,000, sir.
3,75,000. Correct. So current liabilities already x is equal to what?
75,000.
75,000, sir.
Now you got current assets and current liabilities. Now stock. So liquid ratio is equal to current assets minus stock. If it is prepaid, divided by current liabilities. So liquid ratio, what is the liquid ratio?
3, sir.
3. So 3 is equal to, what are the current assets we have?
3,75,000.
Minus stock divided by current liabilities. What are the current liabilities? 7. Correct?
75.
Yes, sir.
So therefore 3 into 75,000 is equal to 3,75,000.
Sir, you wrote it. Yeah.
Equal to, that is the 3,75,000 minus stock. So this is the 1,50,000, 2,25,000. 2,25,000
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
is equal to 3,75,000 minus stock. So
The stock is 1,50,000.
2,25,000 minus 3,75,000 is equal to minus stock. So minus 2,25,000 50, I think 1 lakh.
1,50,000.
1 lakh now.
1,50,000, sir.
1,50,000 minus 1,50,000. I will write minus 1,50,000 is equal to minus stock. Minus cancel. Therefore, stock is equal to 1,50,000.
So we have NCP now actually.
Okay, okay. Giving you. Okay. I downloaded. This problem I will upload. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Anyway, I'll take one more class tomorrow. Again, these ratios. Then I will start.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Just to remember formulas. Then it is very easy. You can expect 100%. Either maybe 2 marks. Either maybe 10 marks. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Bye, sir.
Okay.